Hey y'all, I'm Steve with Avenger RV Adventure. Today I want to talk to you about how you take care of your tires while you're at an RV park or wherever it is that you're going to stop and stay. Hey folks, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you about chocking your tires. Now when I started out as a new RVer, I had these type of chocks. And all you have to do for these is slide one underneath this tire. You should slide one underneath this tire, so that way you have two opposing forces keeping your tires from moving. And of course, it is vitally important that you take this step before you disconnect from your tow vehicle. This could be the one thing that keeps your vehicle from rolling down a small hill or whatever at an RV park, and it has happened. So always make sure you chock your tires before you disconnect from your tow vehicle. Okay, so one of the reasons that I don't like these is if you're on multiple blocks, so you might have some underneath this tire and some underneath this tire, it might be very difficult for you to get these blocks locked in underneath your tires. So of course you'd want to have one of these blocks underneath this tire and one underneath this tire to keep your RV from rolling either way, and you'd ultimately like to have the same thing on the other side to keep the RV from rolling either way. One of the things I didn't like about these besides that is when you use these, you get a lot of motion inside your RV. As people walk around inside the RV, the RV is moving around and whatnot. Now you're always going to have some motion because you're sitting on springs. So there's always going to be some motion. But with these, you actually can feel the RV moving back and forth, front to back. And I wasn't comfortable with that. I didn't like it. So I went ahead and I upgraded to XChocks. With the XChocks, these lock these two tires and the tires don't move. This one can't roll forward or back, and this one can't roll forward or back. They come with a small lock, and they come with a wrench for you to apply or remove them, and they're very simple to use. So I'll go ahead and remove this. Put the wrench up there, put the lock up. So that's it. That's all there is to this. Put them in between the two tires. Adjust the bolt so that they're pushing against both tire, and then tighten it down. That's it. That's not going anywhere. There's a little cap that's on here that you can flip down, and because these are so expensive, they do come with the little lock. You slide the lock through, lock it up, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. This is a short video. We'll try and get you something else out in the near future. Anyway, I'm Steve from Avenger RV Adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future upcoming videos. Thanks for coming.